I made an invention again. It's a much better one this time. It's way more accurate. It works within 1 degree. Yes. There's the blue ice down there again. It'll turn on with 1 degree. This is a special thermostat. You put the cover on, works much faster. You will need to verify all data with a competent doctor, a pharmacist, a manufacturer, and prescription serial number in order to get the most accurate personal temperature storage temperature that you can get. Study by Bowdish. It's way more accurate. It'll turn on within 1 degree. There's the blue ice again. There's a fan running. Oh, now you can see it.